Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 18th May 2020. So Nifty down by 313 points, Sensex 1068 points. So deep red closed the markets today. So we'll see how the levels are placed for tomorrow's trade, that is 19th May. Straight away we'll go and see the Nifty. Yeah, this is the Nifty daily chart. Right, this is a Nifty daily chart. See, in my previous video I explained this week range. This week range I expected at 8,820 and 9,500. But what happened today? Today itself it touched the lower edge of the range. So now this range invalid. So higher side, this range going to this area is very difficult now because this big red candle and today's price action. So if you see here 9,280 and 9,350, this zone will act as a resistance in coming days. On the downside, 8,250 and 8,050, it is a big range. On a weekly closing basis, this will give a decent support in coming days. But overall setup is on the downside, right? Sell on rally. If any rally happens, that can be utilized as a shorting opportunity, not for long. So we'll see for tomorrow's trade. This is 15 minutes chart of Nifty. Today you see what happened. Opened here, first 15 minutes, this was the demand 9068 and 9050, but big red candle, again steep fall. So if you observe this 15 minutes price action, why this fall happened this much of deep? The big players who are holding positions from couple of days, their stop losses kept below 9050. All stop losses hit the fall. So that is the main reason for this particular Nifty zone. So I'm telling this zone from last couple of days, 9,000 to 9,050 and 9,080, this zone, these levels are very, very crucial roles. The positional traders who are holding a long positions from last a couple of days, they keep getting their stop losses. Stop loss, they put, that is the key level, they put the stop loss. So after hitting the stop loss, the steep fall. And this is a small base here. So for coming tomorrow, this previous demand will act as supply now. Before this supply, this level also will act as a supply. That's why I taken 8,940 and 8,960 zone will become a supply area for tomorrow, right? So 8,940 and 8,960. So this area will become supply. So price goes to this area, we can go for a short and keeping a stop loss above 8960. So next, coming to the demand area is plotted at 8,680 and 8,650 zone, right? So this is the zone 8,680 and 8,650. So this is the zone for tomorrow. So the main idea is sell on rally, don't buy now. This is not the time to buy. I'm expecting more downside. My trade plan is sell on supply area. If this supply surpassed and went above, this area will act as a stiff resistance. This area also we can go for a short. This is the Nifty for tomorrow. We'll see the Bank Nifty. See, this is the Bank Nifty daily chart. If you see, compare with the Nifty, Bank Nifty is more weak. So this is today's candle. So this is the demand area, that is a previous low, 16,752, 16,752, sorry, 16,752, 16,120 or 130 zone. This zone will become as good support for the Bank Nifty. On the higher side, 20,500 and 21,300 zone will act as stiff resistance on a weekly basis. I am telling for this week. But coming to tomorrow, I think there could be a small bounce here. But that bounce can be taken an opportunity to short. So I am expecting Bank Nifty will test this previous low very shortly. If you see the pattern, bearish pattern completely, even on a weekly chart also it is a bearish pattern. So going upside is very difficult. So if it bounces also, this area, before that one more supply is there, this small gap and other things, this area will act as a supply, that is 19,000, 19,500 zone also. So for tomorrow's trade, that is 19th May. So based on these levels, we can have some option strategies also. I'm not discussing option strategies here, but those who are trading options, they can have good strategies. A bearish strategy we can plan, and we can do that. For tomorrow, we'll see the levels. This is Bank Nifty 15 minutes chart. So levels for 19th May. The supply. So this is the supply area. So this previous demand already broken. So there is no valid for that. So previous demand, now it will act as a supply also. So first going upside, this is the big hurdle, 17,980 and 17,850. 17,980 and 17,850 will be a supply zone where we can go for a shorting. And the lower side, 17,280 and 17,150 may be a good demand zone for tomorrow. Not for positioner, it is only for tomorrow. These are the levels. According to these levels, we can trade. If by any chance, if opened above this level will act as a stiff resistance. This level also we can go for a short. So only for shorting opportunity, don't go for a buying opportunity tomorrow. So that is the plan for tomorrow. And now we'll see two stocks for tomorrow's trade. Friends, this is PVR for tomorrow's trade. PVR only shorting opportunity. If goes upside around 780, can go for a short. Keep a stop loss above 790 and target is 748. 1 rupee here or there, you can keep trail your target and stop loss. But this plan is for shorting PVR tomorrow. So good risk to reward. Risk to reward is 1:2.4. So this, if the price opens below today's low, wait for 15 minutes or 30 minutes to settle the price. If price doesn't come to this area, you can again go for a short. Keep a stop loss of 10 rupees and aim for a target of 700. That is the final target for PVR. So PVR is for tomorrow's trade, PVR a shorting opportunity, and for buying opportunity I'll go with Cipla. So this is Cipla daily chart. So this is Cipla daily chart. Why I selected the Cipla stock is, if you see, this total a consolidation from last couple of days, and this decent gap area, this gap area is not at all filled. So trying to come to gap area, but it is not coming into the gap area. And if you see today's candle, a decent green upside candle and closed above this candle. This candle both are a dojis and closed above this candle. This is the reason why I selected the Cipla for tomorrow's trade. So I'll give the trade plan on a 15-minute chart. This is a Cipla trading plan for 19th May 2020. So our entry price is around 588 and target is 602 and stop loss 582. This is Cipla day trading plan for tomorrow, that is 19th May. So see today's price action. This is the rally, base, rally. So this base will give you a decent support. That's why we have to have a plan to buy this area. There is risk to reward is good, 1:2.7. So friends, today I given Nifty, Bank Nifty levels and two stocks for trading tomorrow. That is PVR for shorting and Cipla for long. So thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any doubts or anything you want to say, you can WhatsApp to me or you can write on comments. Thank you so much.